Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to make rice pulau in Nepalese style. The recipe is simple. Let's gather some ingredients like rice, a little bit of coconuts, cashew nuts and raisins, some carrots and peas, some ghee, and some cardamom and cloves. The first step is to soak 1 cup of rice into 2 cups of water for 20-30 minutes. After that, strain the rice, but keep those water for cooking. Now let's crack those cardamoms. Gently cook those strained rice, carrots and peas with a little bit of ghee for about a minute. Now in the rice cooker pot, we're going to mix the rice mixture and the strained water, cardamom and clove, some salt, and a little bit of sugar. Mix everything in and turn on the rice cooker. While the rice is cooking, let's fry those nuts until golden brown. Finally, when the rice is ready, we're going to add those nuts into the rice and fold it gently. And that's it. Our rice pulau is ready to serve. It's a simple recipe and delicious.